In this chapter, let us learn about NumPy array slicing. Slicing arrays. Slicing in Python means taking elements from one given index to another given index. We pass slice instead of index like this, start is to end. We can also define the step like this, start is to end is to step. If we don't pass start, it's considered 0. If we don't pass end, it's considered length of array in that dimension. If we don't pass step, it's considered 1. See the example, slice elements from index 1 to index 5 from the following array. See the result includes the start index but exclude the end index. See the result returns this. See another example, slice elements from index 4 to the end of the array. See, if we execute this code here like this, the result returns 5, 6, 7. Slice elements from the beginning to the index 4 not included. See, if we execute the code like this, the result is 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative slicing. Use the minus operator to refer to an index from the end. Slice from the index 3 from the end of index 1 from the end. See the code. If we execute like this, minus 3 is to minus 1, the result is 5, 6. Step. Use the step value to determine the step of the slicing. Return every other element from index 1 to index 5. See here 1 is to 5 is to 2. See here the result is 2, 4. Return every other element from the entire array. See the, if we execute the code like this, the result is 1, 3, 5, 7. Slicing 2D array. From the second element, slice elements from index 1 to index 4 not included. See here 1, 1 is to 4. Remember that second element as index 1. See, the result is 7, 8, 9. From both elements, return index 2. See here 0 is to 2, comma 2. The result is 3, 8. Python will give you an error if you skip the indentation. From both elements, slice index 1 to index 4 not included. This will return a 2D array. See here 0 is to 2, 1 is to 4. By executing this, the result is 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Okay friends, this is the end of part 5 array slicing. In next video, let us learn about another topic, data types. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.